Hello everyone, I am Soham Adak and this is my project AutoJudge, a competitive programming problem difficulty predictor. AutoJudge automatically predicts the difficulty of a programming problem in two ways. First, classification. It classifies the difficulty of a problem in one of the three categories, easy, medium or hard. And then regression, a numerical difficulty score out of 10. The goal of this project is to assist platforms and educators in quickly estimating the difficulty of a problem using machine learning. Moving on to the project overview and approach. We start with a dataset of competitive programming problems containing problem descriptions, constraints, and their difficulty labels. The pipeline consists of text preprocessing, cleaning, lowercasing, removing stop words, and lemmatization. Then we do feature extraction using TF-IDF vectorization to convert the problem statements into numerical form. We also use two machine learning models, a classification model that predicts easy, medium, or hard, and a regression model that outputs a continuous difficulty score. Both the models are trained, evaluated, and then saved for deployment in the web application. As for the models and evaluation, for the classification task, we evaluate performance using accuracy. For the regression task, we use mean absolute error and root mean squared error. These metrics are documented in the README file along with the dataset details and training pipeline. Now moving on to the web interface, we can host the interface by writing this command, and I'm using Streamlit in my project. So this is the interface. I'll reload it. Right. So here we have three text boxes: the problem description, the input description, and the output description. So to give you a demo, I have prepared three problems from Codeforces, which is an independent competitive programming platform. We just have to paste the description, specify descriptions in these text boxes, and then click this button, analyze complexity, and it predicts the difficulty and a score. And the problem was indeed easy. Let's try for a few more problems. Right, so we get a different score and a different predicted difficulty. Now this is a hard problem, as you can see. So let's see if our model can evaluate that. Right, so this completes our demo of the interface. Now, as for how you can run it on your device, I have mentioned the steps. How you can run it locally on your device. You first have to install the dependencies by typing this command, and then you simply have to write this command to launch the interface, and then your local host server would be hosting the interface. Now, this is an optional command which you can run if you want to retrain the models or if you want to tweak some reprocessing. Otherwise, this should be sufficient. And this is the repository structure, and this finishes the demo video. Thank you.